National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February. National Science Day is commemorated in the honor of Sir C.V. Raman for his legacy, who discovered Raman effect on 28th February 1928. Importance of the day. It was a great achievement, and for that he received Nobel Prize, which was the first Nobel Prize in science for Asia. Hence the day is of great importance for India, science and scientific history. In 1986, NTSC took initiative to get the government of India to designate February 28 as National Science Day, which is now celebrated all over India. About role of C.V. Raman in physics. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchinappalli, Tamil Nadu. He was the second child of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Amma. After his studies in 1917, at the age of 29, Raman became a professor at Calcutta University. In 1919, Raman elected as the Secretary of India associated for the cultivation of science. In 1929, the British government knighted him. Thereafter, Professor Raman came to know as Professor Sir C.V. Raman. In 1930, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded with Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on scattering of light. The discovery was later christened as Raman effect. In order to encourage scientific research in India, Raman established the Indian Academy of Science, Bangalore in 1934 and the Raman Research Institute in 1948. In 1948, this great scientist entered one more active phase of life when he became the director of Raman Research Institute. What is Raman effect? The wavelength of a small fraction of the radiation scattered by certain molecules differs from that of the incident beam. Raman scattering. Light is traveling wave of electric and magnetic fields. Only the electric component gives rise to Raman scattering. When a light wave meets a molecule consisting of electrons and nuclei, the electric field of the wave at any instant will be the same throughout the molecule. The field will exert the same force on all electrons in the molecule and will tend to displace them. The displacement results in an induced dipole moment, nu in the molecule. Scattering. Alpha is called the electric polarizability of the molecule. The Raman interaction leads to two possible outcomes. If the material absorbs energy and the emitted photon has low energy than the absorbed photon, this Stokes Raman scattering, while for anti-Stokes Raman scattering reverse is true. Energy scheme for photon scattering. The Raman effect comprises a very small fraction, about 1 to 10 power 7 of the incident photons. Raman spectrum. A Raman spectrum is a plot of the